Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with David and Alice. We're so happy you're here today for another English speaking practice lesson.
Hi, everyone. Today we're going to talk about something many people feel sometimes, even when speaking their native language.
That's right. Today, our topic is social anxiety, the nervous feeling you get when you're around people.
If your heart beats fast, your hands feel cold, or you feel unsure what to say, you're experiencing social anxiety.
And don't worry, everyone feels this sometimes. Even English learners feel it more because you're speaking in a new language.
Today, we'll practice some situations like going to work, going to class, and talking to strangers. We'll also share simple phrases you can use to feel more confident.
Let's start with going to work. Imagine it's your first day at a new job. How do you feel?
Oh, I would feel nervous. I don't know anyone, and everyone seems busy.
That's very normal. So what can you say?
You can simply say hello or good morning,
Exactly. For example, good morning, it's nice to meet you.
or thank you for meeting with me today.
Very simple, but it makes a great first impression. First impressions matter.
Let's practice a short conversation. David, you are the friendly person at work. I'm the new person.
Okay. Good morning. You must be the new person. Welcome.
Good morning. My name is Alice.
It's nice to meet you, Alice.
It's nice to meet you too.
Perfect. Only 4 lines, but it's a great start.
Next, going to class. Maybe you're in English class. You see other students and feel nervous.
You can ask a simple question. For example, is this the English class?
Or, excuse me, is this seat free?
Let's practice. David, you are the student. I will sit next to you.
Hello, is this seat free?
Yes, it is.
Thank you. My name is Alice.
I'm David. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. The teacher is very nice, I think.
Yes, she is. That's it. You started a conversation and made a connection.
Finally, talking to a stranger, maybe at a bus stop or coffee shop, this is small talk.
Small talk is friendly, short, and easy. Start with the weather.
For example, it's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Or, it's raining hard today.
Let's practice. David, we are waiting for the bus.
Okay, it's a beautiful day, isn't it?
Yes, it is. Perfect for a walk.
Yes, I think so too. I hope the bus comes soon.
Me too. See? Very simple, friendly, and safe.
Now some tips for social anxiety. Tip 1. Practice small talk in front of a mirror.
Say, hello, how are you, to yourself. It sounds funny, but it helps your brain and mouth get used to the words.
Tip 2. Remember to breathe. Take a slow, deep breath to relax.
Tip 3, your goal is not to be perfect. Your goal is to connect. People will understand if your English is not perfect.
Now some common mistakes beginners make.
Many learners answer, how are you, with, I am fine, thanks, which is correct, but a little formal.
Instead, you can say, I'm good, thanks, or not bad. Sounds natural.
Another mistake is using long answers when a short answer is better.
For example, if someone asks, is this your bag? You can just say, yes, it is, instead of the full sentence.
Let's review some key phrases. Repeat after us.
Hello? Good morning. My name is...
It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you too.
Is this seat free? Is this the English class?
It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Yes, it is.
Great. Practice these every day.
You don't need to be perfect. Every small conversation is progress.
Remember, social anxiety is normal. Use small phrases, breathe, and practice.
You can do this. We believe in you.
Thank you for joining us today on Learn English with David and Alice.
Keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep speaking English every day.
We'll see you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.